Champs scheduled Thursday, March 30th, Day 3. Edwin Allen and Jamaica College are the respective leaders heading into Thursday, third day of the 5-day ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championship at the National Stadium. The Clarendon-based Edwin Allen, which will be looking for their 9th straight girls title and 10th overall, have tallied 55 points from 9 finals at the end of Wednesday's third day. They are 8 points ahead of St. Jago High School in second place. JC have tallied 74 points after 8 finals to lead defending champions KC by 13 points in the boys race. KC have 61 points.